The WOW signal, astronomy's greatest unsolved radio mystery. On August 15, 1977, the Big Ear radio telescope at The Ohio State University detected an extraordinary radio signal from deep space. There is no doubt that the signal was real. The original recordings still exist today. The signal lasted 72 seconds, not because the source suddenly stopped transmitting, but because Big Ear was a fixed radio telescope. As Earth rotated, the signal drifted through its field of view, allowing it to be observed for only about 72 seconds. Its intensity gradually increased, reached a peak, and then slowly faded away, exactly the pattern astronomers would expect from a fixed source somewhere in space. What made the signal especially remarkable was its extremely narrow bandwidth. Natural radio sources typically emit across a broad range of frequencies. The WOW signal, however, was concentrated almost entirely on a single frequency, the very kind of signal SETI researchers had been hoping to find. Even more intriguing, it appeared near the hydrogen line, at approximately 1,420 megahertz. Because hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, this frequency has long been considered a possible universal meeting point for communication between technological civilizations. On the computer printout appeared the sequence 6EQUJ5. This was not a secret code, but simply a representation of the signal's measured strength. The letter U indicated an exceptionally strong peak. When astronomer Jerry Eman reviewed the printout, he circled the sequence in red and wrote just one word beside it: WOW. That single handwritten note gave the signal the name by which it is still known today. Since then, astronomers have repeatedly observed the same region of the sky using far more powerful radio telescopes. The result has been both simple and astonishing. The signal has never been detected again. With a high degree of confidence, researchers have ruled out explanations such as a satellite, an aircraft, a terrestrial radio transmission, or a computer malfunction. The signal's distinctive characteristics are far more consistent with a source originating somewhere beyond Earth. Yet, to this day, no one knows what actually caused it. Scientists have proposed everything from rare natural astrophysical phenomena to the possibility of an artificial origin. So far, however, none of these explanations has been conclusively proven. That is precisely what makes the WOW signal so fascinating. It displayed exactly the characteristics astronomers were hoping to find in a potential extraterrestrial radio transmission, yet it appeared only once and has never been heard again. Nearly 50 years later, the WOW signal remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern radio astronomy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again next time for another fascinating mystery from science, history, or the universe. Until then, take care and see you in the next video.